Hello and welcome to Model Kit Beginner. Today with something relatively modern for my normal menu, which I use to digest. It is a Nissan Skyline in 1-24 from the fine folks over at Tamiya. Now you can see it's here in black. They have quite a few of those. This particular kit is 1989, and they repopped them, and they might still do it. The latest repop was 2015, so that's over 6 years ago. This one, as I said, is from 1989. Now, for old blokes, that doesn't sound a long time ago, but it is 33 years ago. So that is a relatively old kit. So let's have a look. Here around the box, we are just busy over here. Here you go. Just gives you the same car in different color schemes. There we go. Oopsie, sorry, bumped the camera here. Can happen. If you run a professional setup like mine, I apologize. Right, now let's start as we usually do with the instruction sheet, which is right over here. Gives us a little bit more about the Skyline. This particular case obviously is in 1989, which coincidentally is also the time the kit came out, and at the time that kit which I'm showing you today came out. And it was a awesome car. I mean, people did anything with it. Bought it up, made it really fast, and it is a legendary car, which is the reason why I got myself one. And obviously, no, even for 1989, as a Tamiya kit, it probably will still be awesome. Let's have a quick look what they do. It has an engine, so it's not a curbside, and suspension, which you'll see right over here. Here we go. Here you have a look at the inside. The sporty seats, very late 80s. We have glass right over here, and the body together to the chassis. Here are the lights and the final assembly points. All right. I just wondered how they got there. Obviously, forgot here the middle parts. Here you go. Engine. Building of the engine and all that suspension. I thought, well, that suspension went a bit quick. Here we go. Idiot. Right, then we final assembly would be here. And here you have the different body colors you can do. We have a jet silver metallic, the red pearl metallic. That actually sounds interesting. Then gray metallic, dark blue pearl, which obviously is a classic color. And a black pearl metallic. Let's see which one I will go for eventually. Now you obviously want, where do the decals go? Well, obviously there aren't many to start with, but they have an extra marking sheet in here. Here you go, where the rather far and few between markings on this particular kit are indicated. Talking about markings, we'll have them right over here. Here you go. These are the decals. It has a dashboard. Looks very nice. There you go. And a couple of smaller markings, and then obviously the license plates. Then on the glass side, we have the full glass body, you know, where everything is in one piece. And then we have a hood, a glass hood. Now I think that's very interesting. Not quite sure if I would go for that, but you know, why not? Never had that before. And then obviously the lights over here and over there. So that's very cool. So we have something with a glass hood. Interesting to see if they provide an alternate hood, in other words, a non-glass hood. Should I do? We will see in a minute. Sorry, I just need to fiddle this in here. Oh, yeah, that's not going to work. There we go. Got my glass pack back in again. Then we'll have a quick look at our pulley caps, of course, like they always are. And then let's have a quick look at the tires. They look very pronounced. There's no doubt what the profile thread is on the tires, and they are branded. Let's see if we can show you. Here we go. There you can see it. It's Dunlop. Dunlop branded tires. I'm wondering what just fell down. It's my little vehicle with all my sanders. That's not a problem. We'll pick that up. Right. Tires look alright. They have a bit of a seam in the middle which needs cleaning up. But apart from that, not bad. Not bad at all. So tires and pulley caps come in one packet. Then let's have a look at the plastic. First thing I have in hand are these. They're wheels right over here. And you will not be surprised to hear that there is not a chrome sheet with this one. Here's the tank, battery. This looks a very nice detailed kit. Look at the brakes right over here. Not bad, not bad. There we go. Then the radiator right over here, the exhaust package. Then here we have the dashboard, being a Japanese car, right-hand drive. Which looks nice in detail, so you can have some fun with that. And the skid plate over here, there's a grid over there. Very nice, very nice. No, you're just keeping in the back of your mind, 1989. Right, here's the pan with the molded in back seats. Here you go. That's what those look like. We have the wing at the back, steering wheel, fan, the shifter. This looks like the brake system, brake cylinder, and here we have the seats. Interesting to look at. Here we go. Not bad at all. And then last but not least, as far as the sprues are concerned, we have the bottom plate over here. Let's have a look what it looks like from here. Not too bad. Very nice, very nice. We have suspension, which kind of has been, pre-assembled, which is nice. Top part, bottom part of the suspension. Here we have engine and gearbox together, and oil pan right over here. Just going to show you if you want to see a little bit more details. Not bad at all. Famous 6-cylinder from the Nissan Skyline. And then last but not least, we have a look at the legendary body, which is over here. Not bad, not bad. Obviously it needs a bit of tender loving care, but feels pretty stable. Maybe you want to rescribe some of these panel lines. And yeah, I had a look and I didn't see a bonnet for the normal bonnet without the glass. So the glass bonnet it is. You can obviously prime the glass bonnet if this is what you want to do. Well, let's see. So I'm not quite sure where I'm going with this, but it's interesting. It's different to have the glass bonnet. Otherwise, body looks very nice. There's not looks straight. Really no issues with that. Should be sand it down a little bit, and then I'm sure it will be. You see these little bit of inclusions in the plastic, but they have no influence on what's happening on the surface. Right, and that, ladies and gentlemen, was the Nissan Skyline, 1989 Nissan Skyline, the legendary form of the Nissan Skyline. Here, if you see it in profile, we all will recognize it. And looks a very nice kit. I mean, I was kind of expecting like the Servia or that kind of quality, but this looks a very decent kit. So if you see it and you see it for a good price, certainly worth a shot. I would go for it. And I say that not being a modern car guy, 33 years old is certainly not modern, but these are certainly cars which I remember well from my younger days. Beautiful cars, very nice kit. I can certainly tell you that you might very well go for it if you see it. Thanks very much for watching, and greetings from Cape Town. Cheers.